this is Rachel with the team at Clarity Co. here to bring you some tech clarity. We'll be jumping into our Monday 101 course on system navigation, specifically sharing with you how we update our user profile, as well as changing some of the notifications within the system of Monday.com. Let's dive in. All right, jumping in. Before we discuss how to make changes in our user profile in our Monday.com system, let's discuss the why behind the how. In Monday.com, there's a great opportunity for teams who are remote and scattered across all different countries and all across the United States to have a team synergy that is built. One way that we do that within Monday.com is by updating our photo as well as updating our contact information. As you can see here listed on this board, you have just my initials RB listed here. You can also see in any commentary here, it's just my first and last name, or any tag, it's just my first and last name. This leaves a lack of personalization within the system of Monday.com because we don't see the face tied to the name, and also we only see the initials tied to that post or anything that we tag that person on in the system of Monday.com. A great example comes from my personal life, actually. My brother-in-law and I both have the exact same initials, RB and RB. When we were posting in our family group chat, neither of us had updated our profile photo, so it just showed our initials of RB and RB. This created some challenges when it came down to posting and typing out texts to our family members. There is a massive difference between my brother-in-law posting and saying, hey, come on over, to family members that are located within the same geographic area of Texas, whereas if I said, hey, come on over, there would be a really long commute from Texas to Colorado for my family members, causing a lot of confusion for who's saying what and where am I supposed to be going for our extended family. As you can see in this example, this is a great reason why we should be updating our avatar and updating our profile with personalized information like contact information, as well as a personalized photo within the system of Monday.com. Starting in our Monday.com, let's go ahead and go up to this upper right-hand corner over here. Select your avatar or the initials listed here, and then go ahead and select the My Profile option. This will open up your personalized info section in Monday.com, allowing you to update with a photo and other key details within the system of Monday.com. To change the profile picture, go ahead and hover over your initials here. Select Change Profile Picture and click Upload a Profile Picture. This allows you to upload a photo from your computer and then have it be a personalized headshot that your team members can then see the face behind the name. Over here on the right-hand side, you can see you can update your contact information such as email, phone number, as well as geographic location. Again, the reason for updating this information is so that there's clear communication across all systems for users and managers to be able to connect with different team members outside of the system of Monday.com. Now, in Monday.com, there are a variety of notifications that you can receive. Somebody liking your post, posting an update in an update feed, going ahead and tagging you in that update feed, as well as posting an update on an item that you are the person in that person column. If these notifications are things that you need to change within this section, you can go ahead and do that. So scrolling down on the left-hand side, going down to notifications, you can see that this opens up the notification preferences option within the system of Monday.com as well as email. On the left-hand side, this is Monday.com. On the right-hand side, this is also email. If you have your Monday synced with Teams or with Slack, there will be checkboxes that show up down here below. Your notification selections do not have to match based on each column. You can have a preference selected for Monday.com, but have your email listed as blank. Anytime you make a change, you will see a green box pop up at the top showing that your notification preferences have been successfully updated. If you want to change that, go ahead and simply click in that checkbox, unclick it if you're not wanting that preference, and then you'll see that green box pop up. One quick pro tip for you is there are pre-selected options that Monday.com has built in to auto-notify you just based on how the system works. You can see that as indicated by these checkboxes that are grayed out specifically within these different sections of Monday.com. Our hope is that after making the updates within the system of Monday.com, Your teams feel connected at a personal level, your notifications match your work style and your workflow, and your teams have clarity in communication across the board, regardless of where your teams might be located. That's all that we have for you now from our team here at Clarity Co. We want to say thank you so much for tuning in and watching. If you need additional tips, tricks, support from our team, or ideas on how to maximize your Monday.com, be sure to reach out to our team here at Clarity Co.